Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Shinco 32-inch HD-ready smart LED TV. This is a 32-inch smart TV that comes with an HD-ready display and 60 Hz of refresh rate. It also comes with 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. This TV has a sound output of 20 watts. Now let's begin the unboxing. This is what the TV looks like. Let's see what else is there in the box. This is the safety notice and installation guide for this TV. Next we have a packet of screws for mounting this TV on a wall. Same with these accessories, they are used to mount this TV. This is the remote control for the TV. Next up we have TV stands. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Shinco 32-inch HD-ready smart LED TV. Thank you for watching.